Hello everyone, Matthew Sims here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another revision design. This is the blue ribbon knot. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. I'm going to put it on my belt line. I'm going to come over. I'm going to put a fold in there. Then I'm going to go ahead and start doing a cylinder. I'm going to go around 1, 2, 3 times like that, or however many that was. So then I'm going to come down like this and secure it. So then what I want to do, I kind of want to widen this out to where there's space there. Then I'm going to fold this in half and I'm going to push it through right here. And I'm going to create a loop in that. Kind of a small one. You can kind of see it right there. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come around here like this, push this around, fold it around I should say. Then I'm going to push this back up through here, fold it in half, and then this folded in half is going to go through here. It's still a little loose, which is going to be perfect to squeeze that in there. There you have that. So now what I'm going to do is I want to put my collar down, then I want to adjust it. So I want this to kind of be a little further up like that, and a little rounded, and then I want to come down and to these right down here, and I want to kind of open those up a bit too. There you have it, the blue ribbon knot. So again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. We'd love to have you on Instagram following us, checking out all the tie knots as well. And then check us out on Stylish Leadership. We got great content there as well. So own your own style again. Your favorite one for made. We'll see you in the next video.